iFormBuilder platform is connected to Zapier, and Zapier is an online service that allows third-party applications to communicate to each other pretty easily. So I actually just wanted to show a quick example of how to integrate iFormBuilder with one of the 1,000 other apps out there. So once you have a Zapier account, you'll go to the URL I have up here, and you can select Make a Zap, and it'll bring you to this screen. Now inside of here, you're going to search for iFormBuilder, so you'll see the iFormBuilder app here. And if we scroll down, we're going to be able to see any popular Zaps that are used. So this is some of the community in Zapier that's utilizing these. So there's ones here that'll send new emails when new records are created. It'll add a new row to a spreadsheet whenever you create forms, and so on. So there's many other things here, such as adding it to a calendar, writing to Salesforce, and many other integrations that are possible. So in this example, let's actually send our data directly to Google Sheets. So I have a Google spreadsheet right here, and I want to send any records that are submitted for a form into this Google spreadsheet. So let's hit Use this Zap, and this is going to create a new Zap for us. When we're inside of here, we just want to see some details about this, and we can hit Create this Zap. And we want to trigger this when a new record is created. So inside of Zapier, you must have triggers. So we hit Continue, and we're going to select one of our accounts in here. So I can select the account that I have, and we'll just test that. If you don't have a connection, you'll want to create a connection there. So we'll save and continue. Then we want to select a profile inside of the location we're using, which my location is going to be profile ID number 1. So inside of here, we're going to look for 1. And then from here, it's going to load a list of forms. So we're going to choose a form here. I build a form called Zapier example. And if there's an error, we want to email it to someone. So we'll just put in our email address here so we can get the error. And we'll hit Continue here. So I have one new record created, and make sure that it matches the trigger options you picked below. Yes, that's correct. So we'll hit Fetch and Continue. I have created one new record inside of here, and I can view the record. Pretty basic, just name, city, state, zip type of fields that we have here. So we'll continue on, and now we need to choose our Google spreadsheet. So we'll choose a Google spreadsheet row. Then we're going to hit Continue here, and we want to connect an account for Google Spreadsheet, or to Google Spreadsheet. So I'll choose my account. And once we're connected, we can save and continue here. And we're actually going to pull a spreadsheet. And I'm going to pull many spreadsheets here, but I made one called Zapier example. And then we want to choose the worksheet, which is going to be sheet 0, as indicated by here. And then we want to populate certain fields in here. So name, address, city, state, zip, these are all fields in my spreadsheet that I want to match to fields in the iFormBuilder form. So I'm going to match up name here. I'm going to search for my new field here called address. And we can actually search to make this faster. We have city as well. We have state, state 1, and we have our zip field. Maybe it was not called zip. It was state 4. We'll use that one. And then we can hit Continue. Now at this point, we've said that the column names, name, address, city, state, are going to map to the following fields here. And this is going to allow us to send a test. So I'm going to hit Send Test. And what this is going to do is actually going to simulate the data being added. So let's move over to our spreadsheet row, and we're going to see it just added these fields here. So we can hit Finish here, and moving forward, any form I submit or any data I submit for this specific form will make a new row in the spreadsheet and map it out appropriately inside of here. So you can see that Zapier is pretty user-friendly to set up things. You can set up integrations to things in just a matter of minutes, which is pretty amazing. So get started using Zapier today, and if you have any questions, comment below. Thanks for watching.